Hey guys, how you doing? Ron Zanut here. Well, it's been a little while since I had an opportunity to play and modify the 600T any further, and I'm only going to do a couple of minor things. What you see down there in front of you is some new RAM, and that's Vengeance LP. That's 8 gigabytes of white Corsair RAM. Of course, I think that's gonna look great up in those dim slots, so that'll also give us some more contrast. And then the other thing that I'm going to do is add some Alchemy Connect LED strips, and that is a white one, 12 centimeter white LED strip, and those are awesome. They were sponsored by Performance PC, so thanks to them. But I'm going to put them in right behind the reservoir so that it'll brighten it up so that you actually can see it. I originally planned to put an LED in the top of that reservoir, which I did, but it's just not bright enough to make the coolant stand out. The other thing I know I can do is actually probably add some clear UV mayhems to it and then put a UV light inside the case. So I still may do that, but for now I'm going to add the accented LED strip bright white behind the reservoir and add the Vengeance RAM. And also, a lot of you have been asking for a breakdown on the water cooling parts. I have all that now, and I will list that in the description below, or maybe at the end of the video. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and post it on my Facebook page, so that's probably easier for you to copy and paste the listing of it for your needs if you want to duplicate that. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I'll put it up there, and I'll show you the new lighting and the RAM installed in the case. And actually, I came up with a name for the 600T. I think I'm going to call it Ash. And if any of you think you know what that's from, do me a favor and leave me a comment on my Facebook page where I post these pictures as well, and leave the list of water cooling. Be curious to see what you think, or you can post it below in the comments here. I'll read them as well. So let's see what it looks like with the upgrades installed. Okay, here is the Ash 600T with the Vengeance low profile memory and the LED lights behind the reservoir. I'm going to turn off the lighting so you can see it in its natural light. Yeah, that looks pretty cool, man. Looking good. Well, I hope you like the tweaks. I will put the side glass back on it, and should be ready to rock and roll again. It looks good with the coolant lit up like that. Although it does look a little yellowish with the lighting, but it is bright white in regular lights, just the thickness of the coolant, I guess. It doesn't look much different with the, you might be able to see some of the dust on it. But there's Ash, updated with the Vengeance low profile white RAM. Same speed and latency as the Sniper RAM I had in there before. So I didn't really have to change the overclock setting, although this has lower power requirements, it's 1.35, but in order to keep the 4.7 overclock, I think I need the 1.65, so I'm going to run some tests to make sure. But that's it. Well guys, here it is. Here's the parts list for the Corsair 600T custom water cooled rig. I named it Ash. And many of you have been asking for the pieces that make up this rig. And so here on this page here, I have all of the core system component pieces and the miscellaneous components.
You can pause this, take a look, print it out, and then on the next page I have all the water cooling components. And so this is probably the one that most of you have been interested in, how I water cooled it and all the pieces that I used in the build. So they're right here, the GPU blocks, all the fittings, the quick disconnects from coolants, and some of the other miscellaneous pieces for the water cooling, like the fill port, and but the important stuff there as well, the radiators and pump top. So there you go. And if any of you are interested in having a build like this made for you, please let me know. I do build custom rigs or any other particular type of system that you would like to have made. So just send me a private message. Otherwise, hopefully this answers most of your questions. If you have any more, please leave me a note, and hopefully you liked it. And there might be some more tweaks to it in the future, and I will let you know. But hope you liked. If you do, please like, favorite, and if you're so inclined, subscribe. That's it from Ron's a Nut. Thanks.